Are you an after-school program coordinator? Or perhaps you're a parent seeking to enrich your child's creative and critical thinking skill in a fun, engaging way. Welcome to the Curious Creators Club, where we transform after-school time into a thrilling adventure of learning and discovery. The Curious Creators Club is perfect for young minds aged 5 to 10. It's about inspiring them to explore, create, and think differently. This program is plug and play, requiring no previous training. So you can just get started right away with minimal setup and maximum impact. Research shows that our approach is boosting curiosity by 80% and improves creative and critical thinking skills by 75%. This is building skills that will last a lifetime. Every session is a new opportunity to solve problems, build projects, and work together, turning learning into an exciting game. Kids become investigators, explorers, and problem solvers. This curriculum makes it easy to integrate creative thinking and critical thinking into your daily or weekly routine. With Curious Creators Club, every challenge is a chance to learn, and every problem is a new adventure. It's learning disguised as fun, and it is incredibly effective. If you're eager to give your students or children an educational advantage that feels more like play than work, join us at the Curious Creators Club. Visit our website at curiouscreatorsclub.com to learn more and see how you can bring this exciting program to your organization or home. Let's make after school time a highlight of their day.